We will explore Chick and Rice restaurant. This is a Thai restaurant. We will see what's inside. Pool. Sawadee krap. So nami karon diri sa Chick and Rice, one of the Thai restaurants here in Doha, Qatar. So we will try to see, we will check, we will taste yung mga food offer nila. Chick and Rice is located in Bin Mahmud. So meron silang ground floor, meron ding second floor. So we will see kung authentic ba yung Thai taste nila dito. Check this out.
He serves our authentic. Oh. Sipin, syrups, and there are.
Let me try.
Technique naman, the best. Recommendable. Carl. Vince.
Very delicious.
Tyler. Authentic. Recommendable. Siyempre, ubos. Yeah.
No, I'm from outside. I imagine.
We're done. Busog. This is it. This is the ground floor.